I didn't declare these biscuits so delicious. It's really great, let's bring it together. Welcome to my cooking channel. To prepare this biscuit, we need 3 eggs. Add a cup of powdered sugar, equivalent to 5 tablespoons, and mix the ingredients well, until the sugar dissolves. We also need a cup of oil equivalent to 240 milliliters. We add it gradually and mix well, until the mixture becomes homogeneous. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut and mix well. Coconut adds a very delicious taste to it. Add a tablespoon of apricot jam and mix well until the ingredients are mixed. Add a cup of cornstarch, equivalent to 5 tablespoons, and add with it 15 grams of yeast sweets. Add 400 grams flour, equivalent to 3 cups. Add them gradually, and continue mixing until the dough becomes coherent. And this is the consistency of the dough that we get. We form balls weighing 25 grams. Put it on top of cooking paper. We form a small hole in the middle. Cooks at 160. Put apricot jam with a little rose water. Mix and put over heat until hot. This is the shape of the biscuits after cooking. Put the biscuits in the jam and leave it for 4 minutes. Put the biscuits in the nuts of India. We distribute it on all the biscuits. We fill the blanks with jam. This is its final form. I hope you like it. If you like it, do not hesitate to put a like and comment. Tell me from which country you are watching the video.